Hello there, and welcome to How To. Today I'm going to teach you how to crack your back. To do this, you're going to need two things. First, you're going to need arms with fists on them. Secondly, you're going to need a back. Do you have these two things? Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to turn sideways, just so you can see me better. And this is how you do it. First, clench your fists together. Good. Now, pull your arms back. Further, further, further. And there we go. Now, put your fists against your back, like that. And then, you just push. Ooh, so that is how you crack your back. I'll see you next time. Bye!